In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and position a heading in your design. To get started, look for the text option in the editor and click on it. This is where you'll find different text elements you can insert into your project. If you're creating a title, section label, or any kind of standout text, this is the right place to begin. The text panel usually gives you several choices depending on the style you want, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus on adding a heading. Once the text menu is open, select Add Heading. This will place a heading text box directly onto your canvas or workspace. A heading is usually larger and more prominent than regular body text, which makes it ideal for titles and important labels. As soon as it appears, you'll be able to edit it right away. Next, type your text into the heading box. Replace the default placeholder with the words you want to display. Take a moment to make sure the wording is clear and matches the purpose of your design. Since headings are meant to catch attention, it's usually a good idea to keep them short and easy to read. If needed, you can also check the spelling before moving on, especially if this text will be front and center in your final design. After entering your text, resize it so it fits the look and layout you want. You can usually do this by clicking on the text box and dragging the corners or edges, depending on how the editor works. Make the heading larger if you want it to stand out more, or reduce the size if you need it to fit better with other elements on the page. As you resize, try to keep the text balanced with the rest of your design so it doesn't feel too crowded or too small to notice. Finally, move the heading anywhere you want on the canvas. Click and drag the text box to reposition it. You can place it at the top for a traditional title, in the center for a bold visual focus, or anywhere else that suits your layout. As you move it, pay attention to spacing and alignment so the overall design looks clean and intentional. And that's it. You've added a heading, customized the text, adjusted its size, and placed it exactly where you want it.